To check Bluetooth function on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Under phone section, tap phone diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Now tap Bluetooth to allow your phone to start checking Bluetooth function. If there's no issue found during the test, your phone will inform you that the Bluetooth function on your phone is normal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.